Let's unlock the secrets of these teeny tiny seeds. These teeny tiny seeds are a powerhouses of so many nutrition. So let's understand what each of these seeds has.
The first seed is flaxseed, which is rich in good fat and omega 3. It's great for your brain and good quality hairs with their high fiber content. Flaxseed help in digestive issues and support healthy blood sugar levels. Second is hemp seeds. They are completely source of protein because it has all 9 essential amino acids and almost 25% of hemp seeds are only protein. Hemp seeds also helps to build and repair muscles. The third one is pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds super rich in magnesium, zinc and other minerals. These seeds helps to reduce leg cramps and any other muscles cramps. Also the rich in compound known as tryptophan that can help you sleep better. Fourth one is sunflower seed, which is rich in high level of vitamin E and selenium. These two compounds can actually reduce your inflammation and also is prone to reduce cholesterol as well. These seeds also protect against cells damage and support healthy skins. White sesame seeds. These white sesame seeds rich in calcium and vitamin E. These seeds great for your hair and gives a strength to your bones and support overall health.
Each seed is like a small superhero that helps to keep our bodies healthy. They all have a special power that work together to make us strong and healthy. By eating these seeds, we can get a lot of good things like healthier hearts, better digestion, a strong bone, better skin, more energy. So let's eat these seeds and unlock all the good things they can do for us. I hope that helps.